Today I'm going to show you how to draw Scylla from the new Godzilla King of the Monsters movie. So to start off with Scylla, we're going to begin with the face. So starting right over here, I'm going to draw a small circle like this for the eye. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line above the eye. And then I'm going to curve the line back like this. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up and then back down like that. Then I'm going to connect the lines like this, just as kind of like a V shape. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up here. Then I'm going to make another line like this. And then I'm going to draw another curved line like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that just curves all the way around to here. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw another little line in here for the other eye. Then in between here, I'm going to put a little V shape like this. Now, Scylla is really weird looking. It's kind of like a spider crab combo type thing. So on the mouth of this, well, actually, let's draw this. Draw a little curved line right here first. And then on the mouth right here, she's got like all these kind of like tentacle things coming down out of her mouth. So we're going to draw a few of these. So I'm just going to draw some kind of wavy, curly lines like this. And then I'm just going to bring them back up. I want to keep them pretty thin. It's going to make them go in different directions. You want to put some in front, some behind. And then just kind of curve them all the way back up. You can have them go all different directions. I'm not exactly sure what these things are for, but they're all over the place. So I'm just going to put maybe one or two more on here. I'll put one more kind of coming down here. And that should be pretty good. So now that we have the face drawn, we want to work on the body. So actually, let's draw a little line here just to kind of connect the face. Now the body, starting right here behind the head, I'm going to just draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to come around and then down like this. Then I'm going to make another line that just kind of connects to it. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line just like this. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up to a point, and that's going to kind of curve back like this. Then I'm going to draw another one of these doing the same thing like this. And then I'm going to stop right there on the body. So before I go any farther with the body, I want to add some of the legs onto here. So let's start with a leg over here. So by her face, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of has a little bit of a curve. And then I'm just going to go up like this. Then down. And then I'm going to just kind of come back and make a little curved line like that. Then up here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up and then down at an angle. I'm going to draw another line at an angle. And then I'm just going to curve this one. Then over here, I'm going to just draw a line that just kind of comes up and then goes down. Then I'm going to curve it around, make it a little bumpy, and then connect it up to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves down. And then on this other side, I'm going to curve it up, but I'm going to put some little bumps on here like this. Now let's do another one back here. So starting back here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and this time I'm going to kind of curl it around and bring it back. Then I'm going to draw a line that kind of goes around to this one. Then I'm going to draw a little line that curves up, and then another little line that comes down here. Then I'm going to continue this line, curve it over, and then bring it up. Then over here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves around. Then I'm going to make the curve line down. And then I'm going to put some of those bumpy lines on the side. Now over here, I'm going to draw a little line for part of her body. And I'm going to draw a little bump right here. Now this next leg is going to be kind of coming up and down. So I'm going to draw a curved line that just goes like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up. Then starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down, sweeps around, and then comes back up. Then I'm going to draw a little curved, broken line around it. And then I'm going to make kind of like a pointy line, little zigzags on the side. Then I'm just going to bring this line up to here. Then over here, I'm going to add another leg. So I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, down, and then kind of comes back towards the body. Then I'm just going to draw a line that kind of curves around, and then it's just going to come back up like this. Then this time I'm going to kind of curve this one down a little bit, and then bring it up. Now, I'm going to finish off the body, so I'm going to draw a couple more little lines up here like this, and I'm going to stop it right there. Then I'm going to kind of bring it around here, and then I'm going to curve it down like this. And then I'm just going to draw a little line in between here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that kind of comes out like this. Then I'm going to draw some more right there. And then over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down, and then I'm just going to bring it all the way back to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves out. It's going to go around and then come back up like this. Then this one's just going to kind of curve around here. And then I'm going to make some zigzag lines and then kind of curve this one up. And then I want to put one more leg back here. So I'm going to just draw a line starting right about here that just goes down. It's going to curve around and come back up. Draw a little curved line on it. And then I'm going to make this one go down a little bit farther and come back up. This way it almost kind of looks like she's walking or moving. So we have the basic shape of her in here, but now we want to add a few more of the different details and different lines in here. So she's got kind of like a shell on her back. So I'm going to make a little line that kind of comes down here. And then I'm just going to add a few little extra lines around here. I'm going to put some more back here as well. Then I'm going to kind of bring some of these lines over a little bit. And then I'm going to add a few extra lines kind of going up, and then a few more lines kind of coming down. Then I'm going to add a few lines kind of around the back here. Then I'm just going to add a few little broken lines around here just to kind of give it a little bit more detail. Put a few going up here. Then I'm going to add some lines kind of around here in different places. There's all sorts of different lines you can just kind of add onto her legs and everything, going up and down all over the place. I'm going to bring some broken lines into here. Add some more lines over there. And then just kind of play around with it, just kind of add lines all over the place. Trick is just to keep making these broken lines. You don't want it to be like complete straight lines or else it'll just start to kind of look like stripes. I'm just going to add some different detail lines kind of all over the place here. Just like this, just to make it look kind of interesting. I'm going to make some curved lines in here too. Different things like this. I'm going to add a few extra lines in here too, just to show where like the legs and stuff are. You can put some more lines around the face. We never really got a great view of what Scylla looked like, so I'm just kind of going off, images and stuff from the movie and whatnot best I can. And we're just going to keep adding a few more of these kind of curved lines around here. And then just kind of add a few more different places. And then she also has a lot of like these little spike things on her. So I'm going to kind of add some different like little size spikes kind of going up and down her legs. They're really tall up at like the points. So just going to kind of add some of these around here. She's got some down here as well. You don't have to go crazy with these, just kind of put them in different places. And she's got to have some protection going up against creatures like Godzilla and everything. So I'm going to put some more of these spikes in different places around here. Some different spots. Just like that. And then she's also has a few spikes and stuff back here towards her back. So I'm just going to put a few kind of coming around back here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Scylla from Godzilla King of the Monsters. If you guys like these videos, make sure that you are clicking the like button and subscribing. Keep leaving those comments, and I'll try to get all of the drawings in that I can for you guys. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.